There we go. I'm a bit nervous. Welcome, everyone. This is actually quite a novelty doing this on Zoom, but it is very current. So welcome, everyone. My name is Koert Zachariasse. I am CEO of Delta Development. And on behalf of my partners, European Logistic Real Estate Partners and Pacific Investments, I'm really, really pleased that we can celebrate today's milestone of the groundbreaking for Sandvik's new distribution hub in Midden-Delfland. And I'm actually even more pleased that I can do that now from the comfort of my own home. I would like to extend a special welcome to our international viewers from Sweden and England. It's unfortunate that in these times you cannot travel and we cannot do it in person, but I hope everyone has enough bandwidth to see a movie smoothly, and if not, we will also record this this event and send it to you all. So if you experience difficulties, you can see it again smoothly. Like I said, these are strange times, and a webcast today is a very current thing, and it's a new thing for a milestone event. I'm sure if the technology doesn't fail us, then we will together make this quite a memorable event. So today is as much the celebration of a groundbreaking for Sandvik's fantastic new facility in Harnaschpolder as it is a celebration of partnership. I think that true partnership doesn't really show when things are easy and super successful. I think true partnership comes to light under difficult circumstances, and difficult it has been. I mean, from the first meetings we have had more than a year ago up till today, it's not always been easy, and we've had quite a bumpy road getting to this point. We've been thrown pollutions, we've been thrown Corona in our lap, and despite that, through respect, open communication, and particularly hard work, we've been able to overcome these challenges that faced us today and allows us to celebrate today's milestone. And I would particularly like to thank Sandvik, Pacific Investments, LREP, Rabobank, Gemeente Midden-Delfland and The Hague, and all our construction partners for your trust and for your support in us. We could not have done it without you all. So despite us being now in all different locations and not together, I feel this is truly an event where we celebrate our partnership. The new warehouse for Sandvik will be built according to our next generation logistics concept. It's built according to cradle-to-cradle and circular principles, designed for disassembly with careful selection of materials that can either go back to nature or can be recycled in the technical cycle. It is energy positive. It will generate almost 1.5 megawatt of energy, using safe and healthy materials with abundant daylight and green, centering around the people that will be working in this new facility, and fitted out with a carbon absorbing truck court. This is truly a warehouse and a workplace fit for a sustainable future. And it will be a great building, but it will also be for a real great client. We are truly privileged to build for Sandvik, and I would like to thank this point really Martin, Marcel, Carl, Jill, Ulf, and everyone else at Sandvik, as well as Bart-Jan Luik of Industrial Real Estate Partners, because it's really been a collaboration, but keeping in touch by working closely together, particularly when it got difficult. We got this far, and I'm sure we will make it a workplace where Sandvik will continue its successful business in the very far future. So starting today is a milestone, but we're only halfway. The real work in building it and realizing it also starts today. And whatever we can think of and design and dream at this moment, it's paper and bits and bytes. It has to be turned into reality. So I really wish also our construction team, Sistabo, OPL, DWA, BOAG, Cubus, FSC, Ringstone and Vroom, as well as our colleagues at Delta, LREP and Pacific, all the success in the realization. I'm sure we'll we will encounter some challenges along the way. Things may turn. It's been a quite challenging year so far, and who knows, but I'm also pretty sure that knowing our partners and seeing what we've came through, that we will get this done in time and with a fantastic quality. And I really look forward to the different milestones of topping out and delivering this building. Enough for my part so far. It is also very important to acknowledge that the municipality of Midden-Delfland and The Hague have also played a very important role in this project. And it is therefore also my distinct pleasure to introduce to you Alderman ten Have of Midden-Delfland as the next speaker.
Thank you very much, Kurt. As an alderman of the municipality of the Midden-Delfland, I'd like to welcome you as one of our new inhabitants. We're only a small municipality, but we're connecting the dots between The Hague and Rotterdam. And our municipality has a legal obligation to cultivate the landscape, the agriculture and the nature between those two cities, big cities, as a member of the international Cheetah Slow movement. So we are very glad with your developments with the sustainable building, your contribution to the energy transition by solar energy, and also the economic effect of employment of 180 people, which in the effects of COVID-19 probably will be more important for the next few years also. So we hope you will be satisfied with the location of your new European distribution center, and you will always also be satisfied being one of our new inhabitants in this beautiful, small and green municipality of Midden-Delfland. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. De Haven. That's it's a pleasure. I would like to give the floor now to Marcel van Sas as the representative of Sandvik and our close partner during this process.
Yes, thanks, Kurt. Yeah, I think today the groundbreaking that marks really the start of an exciting new phase for the logistics within Sandvik Machining Solutions. So that's an important day for us. So first of all, I want to say a big thanks to all parties and people who have made it all possible that we are here today. I think we have to realize that already a lot of hard work of Sandvik employees, but for sure also our partners, has gone into the project so far. And Kurt already touched base on it, but it has not been an easy ride so far. So the crises like the nitrogen and the coronavirus, yeah, that has made it really difficult. But how fantastic is it that we are here today? I think when we look at the building, its sustainability is very important. It's a nice size. We will have 16,000 square meters, and it's 12 meters high, which really makes an appropriate building to have a good logistics process within the building. What we will do, we will equip it with high quality automated order packing and order picking and packing systems. And as said, we will employ around 100 employees in that building. Also worthwhile to say, I think we have entered into a long-term lease agreement for the property. And I think looking at the property, it's really a crucial link in Sandvik's supply chain as a European distribution center. I'm repeating a little bit, Kurt, but yeah, we're also happy that you follow the circular cradle-to-cradle principles, and in a way that fits perfectly with Sandvik's philosophy of integrating sustainability within all our activities. You said it already, it will integrate functionality, human-centered design, high-quality technology and circularity in such a way that the building will meet for our people highest requirements of functionality. The same for sustainability, but also for productivity. I think, as said, a new and exciting phase for all involved. The plan is to start up the operations before the end of next year. yeah, I think we all have to realize that there's still a lot of work to do, but speaking for the Sandvik people, I can tell you many of us are really looking forward to this date and to start up the new operation in this newly built facility. Again, I think to all people and parties directly involved, many thanks again for all your efforts so far, and keep up the good work going forward, and really looking forward to the end of next year. Thank you very much.
Great, Marcel. Thank you very much too. Well, to be quite honest, Marcel and I were earlier today at the construction site. There are over more than 5,000 poles going under the building. We did the ceremonial first one. It wasn't quite the first one, and to make sure that things went smooth, we did it on camera. So here we go.
Well, welcome everyone here on the construction site in Harnaschpolder. Behind us, we're ready to get the first piling done. Marcel, this is the moment we've been working for quite a long time. It's not been easy, and many obstacles have been thrown to us. But I'm glad that we can start now. Marcel, if you would do the honors.
Yes, thank you very much, Kurt. Yeah, exciting to be here today. Yeah, for me the groundbreaking today is really the start of an exciting new phase for SMS logistics in general, but also for Sandvik Machining Solutions. So I would say, should we give it a push?
Let's go, Marcel. All right,
3, 2, 1,
bam!
Well, let's raise our glasses. Can I invite you all to turn on your camera? So we can all have where possible, of course, and only if you're decent. I'd like to bring out a toast to a smooth construction, to a great future for Sandvik, to partnership, but most importantly, to health. To you all, let's make it a great success. Thank you all for your partnership and collaboration.